Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you wall shelf patterns. Just look at them, they are so pretty. And if you want to renovate your home or renovate your dull wall with creative idea, I think you should try out something like this. The shelves like this, these are so cute, and it will really help you a lot in organizing lots of your stuff, and will work as a centerpiece and will attract your relatives towards this wall. And I hope you will love this, all the patterns of shells on the wall. And if you want to see more such video, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then like, share and comment, share with your friends more and more who love to decor their home. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.